Assalamualaikum, my name is Marin Jamshed and today I'll be presenting HRIS trends, health and wellness, business intelligence, demographic changes and employee engagement. The objective of presentation is to discuss the short-term future trends in HRM, health and wellness, business intelligence and people analytics, demographic workforce changes, employee engagement. Starting from the introduction, HRIS is the emerging field of HRM and IT. It's a new field of study and managerial practices. There is no doubt that technology has radically altered the world of work. Today, one can work anytime and anywhere using any device. Possibilities that have globalized the workplace and given it a 24 by 7 work cycle. Beyond the early advantages, through the automating process of HR, technology enables HR processes to be more integrated than ever with other corporate functions such as payroll, finance, supply chain, marketing. In the pursuit of the organizational success, although HR has evolved from an administrative to a strategic focus, transactional activities such as HR administration, legal compliance, and benefit management still consumes a major portion of HR resources. With the increasing focus on strategic HRM and development in technology, HR professionals are developing innovative technology solutions to address their core challenges such as talent management and workforce metrics and analytics. Future trends in HRM. Forecasting the future in general quite difficult and even more so in HRM. Although one can examine past trends and extrapolate to the future, there can be unexpected contingencies such as the financial crisis of 2008 to 2009 that impact HR processes. Also, changes in laws, directives, and guidelines from the governmental agencies can strongly affect the future of HRM and HRIS. To examine any future trends in HR field, one must look within and between the countries since labor laws differ from country to country and thus could have a significant impact on any new developments in HRM for that country. Health and wellness. The cost of healthcare is growing concern for organizations with recent estimates suggesting that healthcare accounts for nearly 8% of an organization's operating cost. HR technology is capable of promoting employees to perform certain tasks and duties. That same capability can be turned into a way to remind your employees to take care of themselves as well. Wellness isn't about avoiding being sick. The overall well being of your employee can affect not just our attendance but also productivity, morale, and retention. Healthy employees can be more efficient and productive and may be more satisfied with their jobs, especially with the company leads the way in allowing the staff the opportunities to improve their health through work based incentives. Business intelligence and people analytics. HR is under increasing pressure to show that its policies and practices add value to the firm. To address these pressures, HR is increasingly turning to the use of business intelligence to support complex metrics. Many organizations already have basic reporting capabilities, but they are increasingly looking to incorporate more sophisticated metrics to better support HR programs. It's important to discuss here that how important are metrics becoming to HR. Consider that each year SHRM brings together a panel of experts to address the most important upcoming concerns facing HR, and one of the panel is specifically focused on metrics. Here are three key predictions from these panels about metrics. Number one, organization will increasingly demand that their HR better measure and assess the value of its human capital initiatives. The increasing use of metrics may lead to a standard and widely accepted set of metrics to describe, predict, and evaluate the quality and impact of the HR practices and the productivity of the workforce. Organizations begin to transform their view of HR from that of a people functions to more of one focused on decision science. During the next several years, this trend to the use of data analytics will only grow as HR seeks to use both its statics and dynamic metrics to drive more effective decision making. An HR professional will need to better understand the capabilities and limitations to truly leverage them most effectively. Talking about demographics and workforce changes. The workforce is undergoing a dramatic transformation on multiple fronts. First, it's becoming more diverse. More women and minorities are entering the workforce than ever before. Second, there is a major demographic shift occurring in the workforce. Although there are positive aspects to this changing age demographic, there will also be challenges for organizations. Having a workforce that has large ethnic, cultural, and age diversity brings tremendous opportunities for creativity, innovation, and market growth for organizations. But it can also bring challenges for human resources. HR will need to rethink recruiting and retention strategies in light of these changes. With multiple generations working together, there will be varied experiences, comfort, and use of technology. Organizations that are able to most effectively leverage the potential of their workforce diversity will be most successful. Workforce diversity is not just a competitive advantage today, it's a competitive necessity. Employee engagement. Employee engagement means more than motivation or satisfaction. A major challenge facing organizations is employee engagement and retention. Engagement reflects the extent to which employees are emotionally connected and committed to the organization. Research has found that most employees are not engaged at work. Organizations are increasingly turning to technology to improve engagement. Tools such as social media, groupware, gamified mobiles, apps, and recognition software are being used to improve employee connections and engagement. HRIS cannot underestimate the importance of employee engagement and the extent to which HR will be involved in improving it. Assalamualaikum, my name is Mariam Jamshed.